everyone. This is Reem Ghazal from Fruitful Solutions. Here in Fruitful Solutions, I serve as Chief Communication and Growth Officer. In Fruitful Solutions, we help factories to cut over 1.5 trillion that they lost every year because the insight reached them too late. We become your factory brain, starting from early beginning with theory assessment to define a roadmap for your factory for digitalization. Then we go beyond for ERP integration to witness your financial truth in real time. Then we can even do our machine vision system and IoT devices. And last but not least, we can even predict outcomes through our very own digital twin system. We also have our own very product, which is Fresh Sort. Fresh Sort is AI machinery for fresh food sorting. It helps our client to cut their operating cost by 6 times and can operate over 480 tons per day. Here in Ai Everything, we have witnessed a lot of partnerships and a lot of talented engineers that want to join our company. If you are interested to make any partnership or to join our team, please follow us on LinkedIn. And thank you.